Oh.
Oh, what's here?
Are they just gonna carry me? Sweet, thanks. I really need this. What? Thank
What the fuck? An ass massage!
Sup, bitch. Can I get your number? Honestly, you got a really thick ass. What the fuck?
Maybe you
Harry
should try.
Potter. Harry Potter. Hey, you know what? You can be my replacement. You wanna, what the fuck? You two! Hermione! Harry, hey, how's it going? It's been a bit since we talked. I haven't,
Imagine
What the
being
fuck?
rejected by 3 bugs. That's...
fuck, let me, oh, thank you. You're so generous. Wait! Oh!
A new place!
Oh my gosh! Oh yes! I did it! I did something! Yes!
You need to calm down a bit.
Yes! I did it! I did something.
Nice.
Oh yes. We're not gonna
No.
talk about this shit ever again.
What?
What's up in here? What you doing? What? Harry, Hermione, and Snape have avoided me? What? Oh, can I get your number? You know, you have a stinger. Could I borrow that? I mean, it may rip out all your guts and intestines, but I need a stinger. Do me a favor. I'll pay you 50. Bitch. Wait. Wait.
Terrorist! Do you wanna hear something weird?
Do I? That might be fucking weird. Fuck! I've got fucking anxiety. Motherfucker! You motherfucker! Wait!